Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video we saw what kind of version we are going to pick, and in this video we will see the topics which we are going to cover in this Hibernate journey. So these are the topics we are going to cover in Hibernate session. So it starts with maven project, then intro and so on. So even before starting with this whole thing, we need to set up our workspace. So let's do that from the scratch. You guys need to then locate any place where you can keep your things intact. So I'm going to create a new folder right now. This is the one. So I'll create to what? I'll create a new folder. I'll call it Hibernate Workspace. Okay, so I have a new folder. Then I'll go to Eclipse. Let's close this one and then starting the new version. New you can say instance of Eclipse ID. And this time I won't pick this location. I will browse a different one. So I'll go back Raga and there's a folder Hibernate. Open this and there's a folder. So select this folder and launch. So everything will be done from the scratch so you guys can follow up. So we just have set up JDK. For that you can refer my previous videos like how to set up JDK in your machine, and then Eclipse as well. I have thoroughly gone through that video. It's in Code Java session. I'll attach that link as well in the description. Okay, so that's the default UI. I just minimize all this stuff which we don't need it, and that's how our Eclipse workspace looks like. So we have these topics ready, we have workspace ready. In next video we will create a maven project. So let's meet there. Bye bye.